Hey guys, I'm April. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be making the sock bun. For this, I am going to use a single sock, some hair tie, a scrunchie, scissors, comb and brush. Alright, so the first thing I did this already. What you would do if you want to do this is get a single sock, turn it upside down, and you're going to cut the top off. That's where the toes would go. Yeah. So you just slice it off like that. I did that already, thinking I was recording, but I wasn't recording. So I had to start over. So after cutting the sock, you're gonna just roll it down like so. Roll it all the way down. Mm-hmm. I was telling my little girlies that I do their hair that they need to take breaks in between extensions. So they should do their hair. And they say, some of them, like Auntie April, you don't want me to look homeless at school. Auntie April, I am going to look abnormal. And to April, that's not going to happen. So I decided to show them some of the hairstyles I used to wear back, way back when I was going to high school. And this is just one of them. This is a donut, a hair donut made from just a single sock by cutting off the top and rolling it down all the way down to the bottom. So the next thing I'm going to do is pull my hair up into a ponytail. So you can make a high ponytail, a low ponytail, one to the side, however you prefer to comb your hair. But I'm going to put mine to the top just for this tutorial. And yeah, that's one of the ways I used to wear my hair in high school. Now, I didn't have much of a choice because in high school we didn't get the option in Jamaica to wear extensions. If I had an inch of hair, I'd have to make it work. If I had bald head, I'd have to just make it work. So we didn't have the option to choose between a bust down and knotless braids or even the regular box braid. We just had to go with our natural hair and make the best of it. So I pull my hair up into a ponytail and then I am going to just put my hand through here, through the sock donut, and I'm going to pull my hair. Just grab my hair so and pull it over like so. So now I have the sock on and my hair all the way up there. And I'm going to open the hair like so, evenly, to ensure that when I push it under the sock will be completely covered. And then I am going to tuck the end of my hair under the sock, like so. If you have a lot of hair, then if you have long hair, then you may not need the sock. But if you just feel like doing the sock bun, you may have to curve the hair around like so. If you have long hair, just curve it around and tuck it under like so. The looser you make the looser you tuck the hair is, the fluffier the bun will be. And then I'm going to use another hair tie and I'm going to put it over my bun to keep the hair secure under the sock. See that? This reminds me of years ago when I used to comb my hair like this. Now, this is how it is. You continue tucking the hair under the sock until it becomes neat. Some people want a messy bun. If you want a messy bun, you don't have to do all that tucking. You just do what works for you. And then I'm going to take the scrunching. Then I'm going to put it over. I used to wear white and black to school. That's another thing. When I was at school, we could only wear three colors in our hair. And at no time at all can we have all three colors in our hair. It was black, brown, and white. So if you're combing your hair, it's either you're gonna wear black and white, brown and white, um, brown and black, but you can never have all three in your hair. So I used to put the scoochie over like this, and that is it. That's my bun.
What you think of it?
Yeah, so girlies, you can do your hairstyle with your natural hair between extensions, between wigs, and you don't have to look homeless. You don't you don't have to look homeless. I know some people like to do some twiggly wiggly hair. You can still lay your edges, which that's another story. But you can still lay your edges to keep up with nowadays style and still look cute wearing your natural hair. So my sock bun. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.